Hello guys, welcome to another Animal Company video where we are gonna see this new update called the UFO update, which is pretty sick. We now have a battle pass for some reason, and I'm joined with Hydra. Hello Hydra.
Do you see what happened?
What?
It's like charged, but I'm not even holding trigger.
Apparently, this new event is happening by the moon, and good thing we collected those moon rocks, because those moon rocks let us teleport there. So, let's get started. First, I'm definitely going to need a flashlight backpack real quick. Oh, by the way, there's the whole entire battle pass. So today's officially Animal Company Season 1! It's not really that exciting, to be honest. It's not really good. But we'll get up there somehow. I know I grind Animal Company, and I'll probably grind it more now. Oh! I just bought a hookshot and I got XP. Okay. Alright, should we bring any weapons like pickaxes or anything with us? Because I feel like we're not going to be mining, you know?
No, I think we're just, like, if we need to, we can just come back. I think all we need is, like hook shots. Which, I definitely feel like they buffed them. Like, the range is super far. Or maybe I just haven't used the hook shot in a very long time.
Probably you just haven't used the hook shot in very long. Because
I
remember...
go first?
Well, actually, real quick, I'm just gonna get, like... just a regular crowbar. We haven't used a crowbar in so long since OG Animal Company. Why is it making you hold it like that? Anyway, alright, so, is the rocket ship back, or can we just use our moon?
Yeah, I think it is.
It is?
Oh, yeah, it is. It looked like a giant egg. From all the way down there. Alright, you wanna press it?
Mm-hmm. Oh no.
Ah, crap.
Yo,
Yo, it's a UFO!
Whoa.
Is that a cow? No, that's a car.
So, yeah, I think we're ready, to be honest. So yeah, here's the new UFO, and it's circling, and it looks menacing. What happens if I eat a moon rock? Will I go above the UFO? Let's find that out. Oh! Whenever you eat a moon rock, it now just teleports you inside the crashed rocket ship. Go in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn on my double jump. I don't know. Oh! Okay, it just immediately sucks you up. Ah!
It does.
No! 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 Ah! Oh. Hydra? Hydra? Oh, hi! Hi, Hydra! Hi! We got abducted?
That's not English!
Yeah, that's not English. UFO offline, hangar shut down.
The aliens speak like offline.
Offline. What the?
Yo, this is crazy.
Yo, I'm hearing something. Do you hear this?
I heard like the growling.
Yeah. Can we break this open? No.
That's peak. That's peak.
Peak impression.
I don't even know. Yeah, peak impression. So we're on the UFO now. Hangar, UFO offline, active KOOA or DA, defensive something.
I don't know.
I'm going this way.
I'm looking through these rooms. I don't really see anything in these rooms.
There's gotta be a door on one of them.
Oh wait, I found it. I found something.
No way.
It looks.
Yo, I swear I just saw something move.
Probably the
Or is
sparkling.
that just sparks?
I think that's just the sparks. There was a door switch. What does it do?
I mean, I think, what a door switch.
Yeah, did you hear that?
Open it, open it, open it, open it, open it.
What was that?
Don't leave me.
Where are
Just
we
keep
going?
moving.
Okay. Whoa! Eh! Oh, the door closed behind us. Oh, I think the
Fine.
door was supposed to
Great.
close and then we were hearing laughter or something. Just keep on swimming up. Ah! Found something, Hydra.
Yo, I don't like these noises.
Yeah, me neither. Do not enter? Wait, can we enter? No, it's broken.
Oh, there's a monster.
What, there is?
It might be one of the, like, the tiny head guys. I'd go up if I were you. He's coming.
I have an MRE. Oh! It's a small
his
version!
head is hurt.
Yeah, and they make new sounds now. That's cool.
Oh, box.
There's another one! Oh, what
I
is
got a
that?
box.
What is that? I saw something! Oh my gosh!
I got a box.
There's something on the wall. It was like red. Oh, I see it back here. What is that?
It's a spider. Or something.
Ah, 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 ah. I'm almost dead. Oh,
Anywhere.
yeah,
Yeah, I thought I was safe on this healing. So it's just kind of like run. I found a weird box, though, when we killed the little guys.
yeah, let's respawn and then let's
Yeah.
like stack up on weapons. Go for me. Abduct me. Yay.
Alright,
Oh, okay.
let's go. You
Yeah,
ready?
let's go. Actually, I'm gonna reload my pistol since it only has like 1 ammo left in it, so. We have the zero gravity room and then there, so. I found your stuff.
Wait for me.
I found that box.
There's a toilet.
I feel like we should keep this. Alright. Where's my grappler? Ow!
I need to put this thing down.
What the heck? I hear something crying down there. I think we
You
should
can't
keep
open
those
up the-
things. Yeah,
You can't open up the boxes.
yeah, I think we should keep them. What am I hearing? Over there.
Can the boxes like keep you from dying?
I don't know where my grappler went, but I think I'm okay without it.
There's an orange. Look, there's an orange.
Help!
What the? Ah! What?
Yo, that thing is like immune.
I know, it literally went through the door I closed, bro.
I wonder if these boxes do anything.
Did you hear somebody say help?
No.
I heard somebody scream help!
Oh my gosh, that makes it even more. Look, there's an orange.
It's like, yeah, it's literally a fruit. Whatever it is.
Alright, let's respawn.
Oh, what is that? What is that? Hold on. What is
What?
this? Do you see this? Oh wait, that's my body. Oh.
Nice. My eyes hurt, bro. I can't stand the double jump. I should be so much more mature, but like, I just can't handle it. It's so stupid.
What the heck? Why is this closed now?
Alright,
Better to
what is
deter.
that noise?
I don't know. There's like just weird noises.
That's what I don't like about this place. Wait for me.
Okay, this double jump kind of gets annoying in here. I
Alright.
turned it off.
He can follow us into that room.
Yeah, there's a flashlight with goop. What the? There's a toilet.
Yeah, I told you that. Found it! Oh, there's a chip.
Oh! Wait, did you hear that? It said help us, and I pressed it. What the heck? What is going on? Give me this goop.
I found a chip.
My gosh, I hate that room.
Yo, I hate this. Keep that box with us.
Yeah. I think
I'm eating the orange.
there's your pistol. My pistol's over here. Got it. Okay, I hear that
these.
monster in there.
Come here.
Oh, wait. I have an idea. What if more of those audio things are in these rooms? Like, in these other rooms?
Watch out! Stop going without me. I hate horror games. Oh my gosh.
My
Scared
gosh.
the crap out of me,
I'm
bro.
just running.
I hate this game.
Oh my gosh, where are we?
What the? I'd climb up for high ground.
I have no grappler, so... There's a door down there. Is there anything else?
Oh my gosh!
See, look, there's a door down there.
I hate this.
Ooh. This is actually kind of a very scary update. I'm hearing growls, bro. I found some other way.
Oh!
What?
Key code.
Key code?
Or no, it's the door. What the?
What the heck? Oh, I see. What is this? Yo, there's some of this ore, dude.
I think we have to cross.
Do you have any ammo in your bag? I forgot my bag with ammo. Yeah, we have to cross. But
Oh,
there's
wait. Yeah, I have ammo.
like a bunch of radiation things.
I have this.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I have
gosh.
ammo, by the way.
Yeah, watch out for these things. They suck you out.
Oh, so it's like a time thing.
Yeah.
Up.
What? Oh my gosh. You good? It's
Yeah,
gonna
one
open
sec.
up again. Yeah.
As long as you're under it, you won't get sucked.
Okay, that's good. Go. Let's go. There's
All
more.
right, okay. Oh, this is fun.
Mm-hmm.
I like these. Just go under. No, go this way.
Oh.
Easier. Wait for the.
Wait, we could just walk these then. Problem, I hear that thing again. It's there. I saw it. It's here.
Close it. Close the door.
I don't have any ammo in my bag. What is this? Oh, what the heck?
Take that.
Wait. Oh my gosh. No. It's like weird. Oh no. It's over here. Wait for the cries to go away. Oh, yeah.
But the thing is, it one taps you and it's super quick, so you can't kill it.
I feel like its path is around here, so. It's over here somewhere.
Stop moving.
Hey! Maybe it tracked a sound.
Maybe it's movement.
He's over there. Over here. Quick, quick, quick! Whoa. What
When you
is
hear him, stop moving and be quiet.
There's more over here.
Close this off. Close this off.
Just go. Just go. What the heck? Where are we, bro? This feels like a
Stop
fever
moving.
dream.
Shh.
Bro, look. Bro, look. So I could just not speak, apparently? Step lightly. It's not it. I don't know. I think we need a purple key. I think we need to roam. I think we need to roam through all these hallways around this place to find a purple key. Not it. I see it. I see it. Oh! Ah! It clearly has eyes. I don't see it. Maybe. I don't know. I don't see it. My body's stuck in the middle. Okay. Stupid sounds. dead end.
Those little blue pops are scaring me.
I think it's from that cube. Move! It's gonna jump you. The heck?
I don't know what happens that makes it angry. My body's in that doorway, by the
Yes,
way.
I know. I'm trying to get away from him.
I don't know if it's moving or not because I didn't move.
I think it's just if he sees you. I think he just teleports around.
Maybe it's because of lights. Maybe it's like the ghosts in the haunted mansion.
Maybe. Open your backpack then. We can kind of see. There's like lights in here. Don't make me do it. It's in here. I don't know what to do. With all these. I mean, the only other way is that way to see if there's anything. But it's over there.
The key card that I picked up has to be.
Did you hear that? I think we're just supposed to run.
Probably.
Yeah, I did you hear the kid say help? I heard, like,
No.
right when he was over there, I heard help from over there. Let's just explore this way real quick.
That's a good idea.
What is that? Oh,
There's-
what the heck? I'm going this way. I'm trying to move fast.
There's treasure over here, so this has
Look,
to be.
it's another one of these.
But it's purple.
Yeah. I think we need to
Probably
click
have
them.
to click them.
Yeah. Because whenever I clicked it, oh, I ascended. Whenever I clicked it, it like said 1 out of 3. So,
It did?
yeah. So maybe we get the key after getting all those?
Probably.
Uh,
It probably gives you the key then. Or like makes it trail to the key or something. But
yeah.
I'm still wondering what that little chip did. Because I picked it up and I didn't know what it went to.
Yeah. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Probably tomorrow or some other day we're gonna do part 2. And please like and subscribe to get notified for part 2. This update is very scary. So, bye!